Introducing the Hikvision DS-2CD1043G2-LIUF/SL, a 4MP smart hybrid light fixed bullet network camera crafted to safeguard your home or business with advanced technology. With its 4MP high-resolution imaging, it captures every detail with remarkable clarity, ensuring you never miss a crucial moment. The camera's human and vehicle detection technology minimizes false alerts, letting you focus only on what truly matters. Powered by smart hybrid light technology, this camera offers superior visibility, even in complete darkness, making it ideal for 24/7 surveillance. It features onboard storage support of up to 512 GB, paired with H.265+ compression, allowing extended recording time without compromising quality or efficiency. What truly distinguishes this camera is its built-in two-way audio, enabling real-time communication for added security and convenience. Additionally, its IP67 rated waterproof and dustproof design ensures durability in any weather conditions. Whether day or night, the Hikvision DS-2CD1043G2-LIUF/SL delivers the peace of mind you deserve. The package includes mounting screws, anchors, waterproof accessories, and a drill template for easy installation. A quick start guide is also provided for a seamless setup experience. In our upcoming videos, we'll explore the various ways this camera can integrate with CCTV systems and smart home automation, showcasing its full potential. For further details, we'll provide in-depth explanations of these features in additional segments of this video series. If you found this video helpful, please support us by liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel. Your engagement helps us create more valuable content and share resources with our audience. Thank you for your support, it means the world to us.